Got a little bit going on this thing. Started taking some of the body panels and the wood rot and everything off. And you know what's absolutely amazing? You see all this horrible stuff. But you know, this is a California piece that's been sitting here forever. And here's what I want you to see. And I'll show it really good next time. But look at this. That's the original leather. It's perfect. Look at this thing. Now there's some bad pieces, no doubt about that. But this is not rusted out. This is just horrible dirt and filth and everything on it. So there's a lot of difference between California rot, dust and dirt. This has been sitting out in the desert for God knows how long. There's no deterioration in it. Wait until you see when I clean all this junk off. Some of the interesting things, look at this. The chain starter. All of this stuff is there. There's no wear on it or anything. So I just wanted you to see, this is the little REO, Ransomy Olds, before Oldsmobile, 1916. So I'll get the rest of it off tomorrow, then I'll start doing a cleaning. You get a chance to see what it looks like.